Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Good morning, class.
Say again.
Good morning, class. Sit down, please.
Say again.
Sit down, please.
May I come in?
Say again.
May I come in?
What is the matter?
Say again.
What is the matter?
I don't understand.
Say again.
I don't understand.
Be quiet, please.
Say again.
Be quiet, please. Pay attention, please.
Say again.
Pay attention, please.
May I go out?
Say again.
May I go out? What is the homework?
Say again.
What is the homework?
Listen to me, please.
Say again.
Listen to me, please.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
Say again.
I'm sorry, I'm late. Step aside, please.
Say again.
Step aside, please. Can I clean the board, please?
Say again.
Can I clean the board, please? What page are we on?
Say again.
What page are we on?
Open your book at page 8.
Say again.
Open your book at page 8.
Can I sharpen my pencil, please? Can I sharpen my pencil, please? Can I go to the board, please?
Say again.
Can I go to the board, please? I have one question.
Say again.
I have one question. Can you explain it again?
Say again.
Can you explain it again?
Wait a moment, please.
Say again.
Wait a moment, please. Pack your things away.
Say again.
Pack your things away.
Can I go to the toilet, please?
Say again.
Can I go to the toilet, please? Can I borrow your book, please?
Say again.
Can I borrow your book, please?
Do the exercise.
Say again.
Do the exercise.
Can I open the window, please?
Say again.
Can I open the window, please?
Can I help you?
Say again.
Can I help you?
How do you say this in English?
Say again.
How do you say this in English?
Goodbye.
Say again.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.